This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by John Powers. No detail was overlooked in this beautifully reimagined 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom Norfolk home. Taken down to the studs and thoughtfully rebuilt, this home features brand new electrical, HVAC, plumbing, insulation, roofing, windows, doors, floors, and more. Inside, you'll find a stunning kitchen with quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and high-end fixtures that flow seamlessly into light-filled, open living spaces. Both bathrooms have been impeccably designed with stylish finishes, and new flooring ties everything together in a clean, cohesive look. Whether you're relaxing in the spacious living room or entertaining in the beautifully upgraded kitchen, this home offers the perfect blend of charm, quality, and location in the heart of Norfolk. You'll love being close to everything while enjoying the comfort of a completely turnkey home. Don't miss this one, it's truly a rare find. Call for your private showing today, May 22, 2025. For more information, review the details below.